My first court case, prosecuting my father's killers. Shagufta Tabassum Ahmed agreed to study law on her parents' advice, though she had no intention of becoming a lawyer. But that changed when her father was murdered. She told BBC gender and identity correspondent Megha Mohan about the 16-year fight for justice against her father's killers. The memories from the day I heard my father, Dr. Taher Ahmed, had been murdered are both crystal clear and incomplete. I remember the room, but I don't remember who was in it. It was a Friday, but I don't remember the time. I remember hearing the landline ring, but I can't remember who in my family picked it up. It was my brother calling. They have found him. He's been killed. I'm not sure who relayed my brother's words, but at that moment the life I knew ended. My mother immediately broke down in tears. Then we sat in stupefied silence as we heard that my father's lifeless body had been found in a septic tank at Rajshahi University, where he worked as a professor in the geology and mining department. Our whole extended family had gathered at my brother's house in Bangladesh's capital Dhaka. He wasn't with us, as the day before he had traveled 6 hours by car to Rajshahi, near the Bangladesh-India border, in search of our father. My father, the unassuming academic who would rather walk or take public transport instead of buying a fancy car, the university professor whose students seemed to dote on him, the husband who would share the food shopping and cooking. While this was still unusual in Bangladesh, the dad whose hand I still held while crossing the street at the age of 18, who could want such a man dead? This questioned only